how you can easily hyperlink text in Discord. So all you need to do is to type here this command. In this first section you will add here the link text, and in the second section you will type here the URL address. I'm gonna type here, click here, and prepare some URL address which you want to connect to that hyperlink. So it should look like this, and press enter. So I made a mistake, this should not be here, but if you click on this hyperlink, it's gonna open you this link. Also, if you don't want to preview here of that link, you can open your settings. On the left we want to go to chat. Here is section embeds and links previews, and turn off this option show embeds and previews website link passed into chat, turn it off. If I go back, here is no longer the preview of that link, and if I click it, it's gonna show me that link. So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.